hiding with his face buried in the sand and the weed. Go, 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 go. Oh, you can do it. Get in your hole. All right, I'll leave you alone. Who would have thought Bahamian beach rats? Sailing Balachandra, we went to Norman's Cay. We then entered the Exuma Land and Sea Park, starting with Shroud Cay. We went to Wardrick Wells, and then on to Cambridge Cay. There's a little crab in here. I wonder if he'll come out. A little baby conch shell. Whoa, he's moving. Hey B. So we're still at Cambridge Cay. We came to the windward side of the island again because there was a path off this other beach. It's just gorgeous here. Loving it. I think I might go out into the waves a little. I knew going into the water that Zeus would probably follow me in. What I didn't expect was Zeus's gnarly wipeout.
Zeus!
Poor Zeus, but he came out on top. It's amazing. Look, this is amazing. Zeus and I are going to go to the top of the highest peak on Compass Cay. I guess it's 90-something feet in the air. It's right here. Have a little mini mountain. Man, we're already so high. Easy bear. Still gotta go up there. We're doing it! There's the well down there on the beach. We're at the top. That red buoy behind me is the indicator that you've made it to the top of the highest peak, which is like 90-something feet. Zeus is done. There's some mosquitoes up here, so we gotta make this short. But anyway, yeah, we did it, and it's awesome. The view is spectacular. So we're gonna head down now because we're getting eaten alive.
Oh, let me take off.
Emery, here comes some big ones.
Yeah.
Nothing like getting in the water with sharks. Yeah, this is for real. I'm actually standing in water here at Compass Cay Marina, and they have sharks swimming all around people, and they're pretty tame actually. This guy just bumped right into me. It's actually really soft.
Emmerich!
Crazy. This is wild. They told us that we couldn't put Zeus in here. They said Zeus is shark food.
Oh, it has red flowers, eh? They're just... What a nice body.
Compass Cay was awesome. We did that yesterday. It was really cool. We swam with the sharks and I climbed the mountain with Zeus. And we saw some amazing caves and did some snorkeling, and it was really, really great. And Cambridge Cay, Compass Cay, they're right next to each other. So today we got up bright and early and we decided to sail on the outside. So we've been sailing in the shallow, like turquoise water of the Exumas. Now we're on the outside today where the water is really blue and it's like hundreds of feet deep. And we got the fishing line out. And we got a nice downwind sail. We're heading for Staniel Cay. I mean, we did the outside because it's just too shallow on the other side of Staniel Cay. We were a little bit worried about it. The weather was nice over here. We wanted to do some fishing. We already caught a barracuda. Had to throw him back. Barracuda. He was about that big, and he had big teeth. So
How
anyway,
big?
he was about this big, I would say. We could just barely get him in. But that's about the biggest we can get on our rod. If we get anything bigger than that, it'd probably break something. But we were talking to some people yesterday, they were catching wahoos out here, so we'll see. See what we catch. Whatever we catch, hopefully it's something we can eat. What are we doing?
Burgers and fries.
What's burgers and fries?
I know, right? We're at Staniel Cay Yacht Club right now, and we just ordered some burgers and fries.
On its way.
Staniel Cay. So colorful! It's awesome. It's really pretty. They're very artistic. Overcast today, so we're just going to be walking the town.
We're looking for cheap rum.
Staniel Cay doesn't seem to be the spot though to get your hands on some cheap. Well, it's
Not yet.
no.
We're trying. Tonight there's kind of a big flow coming in. So we didn't anchor where people normally anchor here. We anchored on the other side of Big Major. There's kind of like a cut that goes between Big Major and Little Major, and it looks pretty safe, so we tucked in there. We feel good about that spot.
Yeah, they say that the anchorage that we decided to park ourselves has a good coverage from all sides, supposedly.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
We'll see.
yeah.
Cute.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching our video today, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a like or a comment. We enjoy reading those. And go back, check out our other episodes. There's about 50 odd episodes for you to check out.
That's 50 episodes for you guys to pick and choose from. That's a lot. That's half of 100. And if you guys haven't checked out our Patreon page yet, you should go check that out. There's content on there that you don't get on YouTube. It's there so that you can help support us. So if you feel like, giving back for all the work that we're doing making these videos, that's where you would want to do it. And, just check it out. And if you want to help out, awesome. Every little bit helps. Thanks, guys. See you later. That was good.